Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is bread masala. You can prepare this recipe within just 10 minutes. You can serve this recipe as a breakfast or as a snack. Let's start the recipe. Take 3 bread slices. Here I used whole wheat bread. Cut into pieces as shown in the video. In a vessel, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 chopped onion, 1 or 2 green chilies, 1 small carrot, half of the capsicum, 1/4 cup of cabbage, 1 tomato, 1 or 2 pods of garlic, and salt as per your taste. Add green chilies as per your taste. Saute it on low to medium heat. Now the vegetables are cooked perfectly. You can see in the video. Add 3/4 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 pinch of cinnamon and clove powder, and 1.5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Instead of coriander powder, cinnamon and clove powder, you can use chaat masala, garam masala, or even pav bhaji masala. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes on low heat. Now add bread pieces and mix well. Finally add coriander and serve. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. More breakfast and snack recipes are given in the description box. Please watch them. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.